Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Emperor Palpatine from the Clone Wars. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this sketch I'll be showing you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So we're gonna start out, we won't be able to see his eyes, so it's a little bit easier. So we're gonna start out with his nose. So right on top here, I'm just gonna draw a little line across. And then now for the bridge of the nose, just kind of come down. And then on the side right here, just two little curves coming down. And then now we'll go toward the center. And then just close it off. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw his mouth. So right underneath the nose, just one big curve. And then on the bottom right here, draw another curve, and then we'll connect that. So we'll give him his evil grin. Okay, and then on the inside here for his teeth, it's one line across. And then I'll just add in some lines inside, just on the top. Okay, so now let's fill in the face. So right on the nose right here, I'm just gonna extend this line. So this is gonna be the hoodie part. It's gonna be right over his eyes. So about this wide, and then we're gonna come back in for his face. We'll just slant it in, past the mouth, come in on the sides, gonna dip down here. He's got a pretty strange looking chin. So once we dip down right in the center here, you can make a little point, and then we'll just connect to that. All right, and then to add in the crease on his face, so from the corner of the nose, just connect to the corner of the mouth, and then we're gonna go down one more, just connect to this corner here. Okay, so this one's easy, we're just connecting the dots. Okay, so all the way down here. Okay, so that's his evil looking face, and then now before we join the top of the hoodie, we're gonna join the bottom first. So come to the mouth area right around here on both sides. Just curve down going out right about the chin level, and then we're gonna bracket inward, and then just round it out and close it first. Okay, so that's gonna be the opening, and then now we can join the top part. So from this corner here, just continue the slant, go up. And then for the top here, we'll go straight up. Draw one curve, just connect those dots. That's gonna be the top of the head. And then now on this side, we'll slant down, so over this line right here. So we just come down right around here first. Okay, and then we'll come back to the bottom here. It's a little bit easier to draw the bottom first. Just come out. Just kind of continue this curve. And now whatever space you have here, just come out and then just hook it back in. So it's like a little bulge. Go out, come back in. Okay, so that's gonna be the head, and the rest of the body is very easy. Let's draw in the little emblem that he has. So right in the center here, we're just gonna draw in a little triangle. And inside the triangle, there's some detail here, but I'm just gonna add two little dots. Okay, and then for his robe, come out all the way to the side here. We'll flare out. Come all the way across here, just round everything out, just close it first. From the center here, just gonna come down. And we'll add a little detail to this part right here, just a little border on the bottom. So just follow the curve. We can add in some lines like this, it'll really help. Looks like there's some creases on the clothing. Alright, so that's the top part of his clothing, and then before we join the arms right here, let's finish up the bottom portion first. So just come out right around here, the width of his head. You can come down, make a little point. So that's gonna be the width of the rope here, and then we'll just go straight down. Just kind of curve it out on the bottom. Alright, so just come down, and then for the inside here, so this one's easier, we'll just slant out. Just kind of come down around the same length here on the bottom. Just close it off, slight curve. And then right here on the inside, it's one line across, and then that's gonna pretty much give us the shape of the robe. And if you want to, you can add in a couple of lines like this. Again, to make it look like clothing or look like cloth. Okay, so that's the body, and then now to draw in his arms. So right around here is gonna be his elbow, so we're just gonna be drawing the lower arm. So right here, we'll flare out. Close it off. And then on the inside here. Alright, so his wrist is gonna be right over here. Before I draw in his hand, let's draw in the other side first. So same thing here, just come across. Just flare it out, and you can use this side for reference. Close it off, and then on the inside here, taper in, close it off. Okay, so now for his hand, right here, I'm gonna draw his thumb first. Just kind of come down, hook it back up, and then right here, just gonna draw a little, kind of like a little box right behind the thumb. I know it's a little bit strange, but those are his fingers, so we're gonna add in a couple of lines inside. Okay, and then now for the lightsaber. So start in the corner here, just kind of connect to the corner there. So just one little long rectangle. And then we'll continue this behind the thumb, so we just extend the line. Close it off, and then on the very tip here, I'm just gonna add a bigger rectangle. Okay, so that's gonna be his lightsaber, and then same thing on this side. So right here for each thumb, just curve down and then go back up about halfway. And then from here, I'm gonna draw in a little rectangle. Okay, and then from this point here, just connect to this, just keep going. Let's draw a long rectangle, and then we're gonna continue with this line here. Close it off, and then another rectangle here. And that is it for this Emperor Palpatine. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.